In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Anime Companion. By the end, you'll have a friendly, anime-inspired companion ready to chat in a cute, expressive style that still stays helpful and consistent. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Any modern browser will work, and it's best to keep just one Grok tab open to avoid confusion as you set things up. Once the site loads, look for the chat option on the homepage and click it. This takes you into the conversation view where you can write instructions for the companion. If you don't see the chat field right away, give the page a moment to load. It usually appears near the bottom of the screen. Next, type your prompt. Think of this as the character blueprint. You'll define what the companion is like, how it should speak, and how it should behave. Start by setting the personality, cheerful and slightly shy, with a cute, expressive tone. Note that you want light, occasional emojis only, just enough to add charm without overwhelming the message. Then describe the behavior. Ask it to act like a supportive friend and to answer in short, natural lines of dialogue. Include that it can occasionally react with simple emotions, happy, surprised, or curious, to keep the conversation lively and human-like. Finally, add the rules that help keep it consistent. It should stay in character at all times and avoid mentioning being an AI. This combination ensures the companion feels warm and engaging while remaining focused and immersive. When your prompt looks good, click Submit or press Enter. You should see the first response arrive in the style you requested. If the tone isn't quite right, maybe it's too formal, too emoji heavy, or not shy enough, tweak your wording and submit again. Small edits like use one emoji at most per reply or be more concise can make a big difference. You can also reinforce the supportive friend vibe by reminding it to acknowledge feelings briefly before giving advice or suggestions. From here, just chat naturally. Ask for anime recommendations, request pep talks before studying, or roleplay light scenarios, and it will respond within the guide rails you set. If it starts drifting, restate the personality, behavior, and rules in a quick message to nudge it back on track. That's it. You went to the site, opened chat, wrote a clear prompt outlining personality, behavior, and rules, and submitted it. With this setup, your Grok Anime companion will feel consistent, cute, and genuinely supportive every time you talk.